Welcome to day 7 of the Flow into Balance Challenge. Over the past days, you've been building, grounding your feet, opening your breath, strengthening your spine, and moving with more flow and confidence. Step by step, you've created stability and calm from the inside out. Today, we return to stillness, not because we stop, but because now you're ready to feel what you have cultivated. We start in a comfortable seated position, gently cleansing the body and releasing any lingering tension. Then we guide the mind into a calm, focused state, preparing for the inner smile meditation, a deeply nourishing practice that soothes the nervous system, restores emotional balance, and awakens a warm sense of inner harmony. We'll close with a gentle head massage and a moment of reflection, honoring this 7-day journey and the strength and calm you now carry within. Sit comfortably, let the breath settle. Let's complete this journey together. Allow your spine to rise naturally, upright, yet without effort. Let the shoulders soften, hands resting gently on your knees. Take a slow, unforced breath in and a quiet breath out. Again, breathing in gently and exhaling fully. Let the breath begin to settle into the lower belly. Each exhale softens the body a little more. As you breathe out, feel the nervous system unwinding, a quiet signal spreading through you. You are safe. Now we'll add a gentle cleansing breath. Inhale deeply, drawing in fresh healing energy. Exhale slowly, releasing stress, tension, any heaviness. Again, breathing in nourishment. Breathing out what you no longer need. One more time. Inhale fully. Exhale completely and let go. When you're ready, close your eyes. Return to deep abdominal breathing. Now allow a very subtle smile to form on your lips. Soft, almost invisible. Notice what changes. The eyes soften. The jaw releases. The forehead smooths. The mind becomes less sharp and more spacious. This small inner smile begins to steady the heart, reduce internal pressure, restore quiet balance. Now let the smile rise gently to the brain. Feel the space behind the forehead, the temples, the back of the head, as if the mind itself could soften. Let mental tension dissolve. No effort to think, no need to solve anything. Allow the brain to feel cooled, soothed, gently nourished by awareness. And now, let that softness begin to flow downward. Bring your awareness to the heart center. Breathe softly into this space. Offer the heart a feeling of appreciation for all it carries, for all it continues to give. Let emotional tension melt into warmth. Now guide the smile to the lungs, creating space where there was tightness, allowing grief, stress, or heaviness to gently soften into openness. Now bring the smile down into the belly, soothing the digestive center, releasing stored tension, restoring grounded stability. And finally, rest your awareness in the lower abdomen, your center, a place of calm strength, of deep support. Smile inwardly here. Feel the body respond, breath steady, mind clear, the whole system harmonizing from the inside out. Stay here for a few moments, resting in your own inner warmth. Now gently rub your hands together. Feel the warmth building between your palms, generating heat, generating energy. When they feel warm, softly place your palms over your closed eyes. Let the warmth of your hands melt into your eyes, soothing, cleansing, relaxing the muscles around them. Take a slow breath here. Then massage the forehead with both palms, smooth across the brow, releasing any remaining tension. Now massage the face, Let the palms move down over the cheeks with the pinky fingers following along the sides of the nose. Gentle, steady pressure. Continue by rubbing lightly over the ears with your palms. Then use your fingers to hold the ears and massage them thoroughly, top to bottom, front and back. Next, bring your fingertips to the scalp. Massage the entire head, small circular movements, stimulating the skin and relaxing the mind. Then gently tap across the crown and around the head with light, comfortable tapping. Now bring your hands down to the neck. Massage the sides and back of the neck slowly, inviting the muscles to soften. Lower the hands to the lower back and rub the kidney area with the backs of your hands. Create warmth here, support the lower spine, awaken this center of vitality. And when you're ready, bring the hands forward again. Congratulations! Thank you for joining me on this journey. Over these 7 days, you've built awareness, strength, balance and calm. And I truly hope this practice has brought you more peace, stability and confidence from within. If this challenge supported you, please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your experience. And subscribe to stay up to date with future programs and new guided sessions coming soon. For now, thank you for practicing with me. Stay balanced, stay present